Hey YouTube, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a one-pack rip, but it's kind of a special one-pack rip. So I'm testing these brand new, you can't read it, but it's a Zeee battery, 1500 mAh, 120C 4-cell battery. I just got them, they're brand new. I haven't ever flew it yet, it's brand new, so I'm gonna take it for its first flight and see how they perform, see how well they do, see if I like them or not. They're kind of budget friendly, so, and they're 120C, so I like that. So if they do good, I'll probably keep using them for sure. I'm just testing out different batteries to see which ones do good and which ones live up to what they say they are and all that kind of stuff. Just testing them in the real world, flying them, see how they do, see if I like them, how they fly or not. Batteries are a huge importance on drones. You know, you can tell once a battery starts getting worn, you can tell it ain't got the same punch it used to have no more. Anyway guys, I got my Taranis QX7, the switches on it replaced, so it's fixed. So my analog gear's back up and going again. I got my Nazgul 5, and I bought two of those Zee's batteries. So the second one's on there. That's what we're gonna be ripping. A 4S Zeee battery, 120C, 1500 mAh. So we're gonna do a one-pack rip with it here at this park. This is just a local park. Nobody really around, maybe one stray or something here every once in a while. But yeah, I'll steer away from the people and just kind of cruise around. Here we go guys, one-pack rip with the new Zeee battery. Let's see what we think. Let her rip. Oh yeah, my GoPro session's on there too. So testing that out. I'm having problems with it. It's been giving me trouble. It's kind of got little glitches in it every now and then, and I don't like to post footage like that. So if it's doing that in this video, I may have to retire that GoPro session and either replace it or just only use my GoPro 7. Anyway guys, if you're new, subscribe. If you enjoy the video, drop a like, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you think about the Zeee batteries and how I did on this one-pack rip. Here we go guys. Hell yeah, guys, that was a blast. Final verdict on the battery. It's got quite a bit of sag. I'm not sure it's 120C like it states it is, but I got a good 3 or 4 or 5 minute flight out of a 1500 miles, so I'm happy with them. I'm not quite sure they are what they say they are, but for a budget battery, I don't think you can go wrong, so I'd recommend them. But anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Later, fam. I had freaking blast on this rip. More to come.